Hello, my dear students. Welcome you guys. Welcome you all. How you are doing, everybody? So, let's continue our discussions. This is the third class of the Digital Combinational Circuits DPP. So, before this, we have one great announcement from Unacademy. In GATE 2024, Unacademy students has performed extraordinary performance. Have a look at now. Unacademy students. 7 AIR ranks, 7 AIR 1 ranks from Unacademy fellows only. You can have a look at now. Electrical, CSIT, ECE, CH, IN, PI, NM. All these different branches AIR first rank is from Unacademy students. Now you can start your serious preparation with the Unacademy to achieve your dream goals. एंड इसके लिए हमने आपके लिए लेकर आया दैट इज फ्लैट 50% ऑफ डिस्काउंट आपके लिए हमने लेकर आया. सो दिस ऑफर इज वैलिड अप टू ओनली सितंबर 18 तक वैलिड है. यू कैन फाइंड द टॉप इंडिकेटर्स ऑफ अनअकैडमी टीम. एक फ्रेम में आपको मिलेगा. हैव ए लुक एट. नाउ दीज आर द top indicators of Unacademy. You see in electrical case, you can see now here 2025 KDA. So this is 8,499 and 2026 till 11,999. To enroll for this, you can use a code of BV Reddy to avail the great opportunities. Right. And another good news is what tell me now here. There is an Unacademy Combat that is on September 22nd. There is a chance to get 100% of scholarship आपको मिलने का chances है. Yes, it's time where you can start your serious preparation with the Unacademy. And these are the new batches we are starting. And from 20th onwards, I'm starting the digital subject. I'm starting the digital subjects. And you fellows can able to enroll these batches. ठीक है? Now you can see now here 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐿I, and these are the list of books the electrical students can able to get. So this is EMT, networks, measurements, digital, machines, power systems, power electronics, analog electronics, signals, controls, mass, aptitude. All these books are delivered to your home within 15 days. You can have these are list of books of ECE students. Chalo, let's continue our discussion. And this earlier we have completed the up to 18 problems तक हमने complete किया. So let's continue the remaining problems. यहाँ तक हमने complete किया. Now take the next problems. The logic function implemented by the circuit given below is right. So they have connected here. They connected to ground. Ground का मतलब is what element of 0 volts. आगे इधर मैंने 0 दिया तो so then here इधर क्या आएगा 1 आएगा. Not get ना here. So this will is given to here ना. So this is connected to 0. And this is 1, so this means this is connected to 1, this is connected to what, tell me, 1. Either this is 0, so this is connected to 0 now. And you can see now here F. So you can see the min terms are what, tell me, 1 and 2. Min terms are 1 and 2. This is nothing but what we can say, tell me, XOR gate बनेगा. That is nothing but P XOR Q होगा. So कौन सा option you tell me now here? So option B. Next one. Next. Tell me now next problem. They given. So here also they given ground connected means it is 0. VCC means 1. Logic high is 1. This is 0 now here. And here this is connected to 0. This is connected to 0. So अभी इधर हमको Q का expression क्या मिलेगा? You tell me now. Q. So you can see the min terms क्या है? Tell me now here. Min terms इधर 1, 2, 1, 2. This means this is nothing but XOR होगा ना? Tell me. So that means will come it as what element of W XR X, that is Q. Either Q आया, so this Q, you can see now here, this is Q. So what about the finally F, you tell me now here, F is equal to, this will come to be a what, tell me now here, Y bar Z bar into Q plus what, tell me now here, Y bar Z into Q. So if I take out this as a Y bar Q common, so it has what, tell me now here, Z bar plus Z will come now. So that means what we can say now from this, will come to be a what we can say now here. So that is F will come to be a what, tell me now here. So this is Q into Y bar. Q is what, tell me now here. So W XR with W XR with X into what, tell me now here, Y bar. So from this F is equal to what, tell me, W XR with X. So it will be given as W bar X plus W into X bar into what we can say, tell me now here, Y bar. So finally F is equal to what will come here, W bar X Y bar plus W X bar Y bar. So this is answer आपको मिलेगा ना, tell me. So from this what we can say now here, so कौन सा option, tell me. Option C. Next, consider the multiplex based circuit they given. So here they connected W. This is what will be W bar, and here this is S1. So if I call this output is a F1, tell me the F1 हमको क्या मिलेगा? You tell me now here. F1 is equal to W bar. We can write it as S1 bar into W plus what I mean S1 into W bar. Now this is F1 and this is what I mean now F1 bar. So this is nothing but what we can say now S1 XR with a W, and finally F is equal to what, tell me. So this is S2 bar into F1 plus S2 into F1 bar. So ये क्या बनेगा इधर? So this is S2 XR with F1. So finally F will becomes what we can say S2 XR with F1 is what? S1 XR with W now. So that means what we can say now here, ये क्या आएगा? Final expressions. तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? You tell me. So finally W, this is XR gate will satisfy associative property, right? So that's why we can write it as what, tell me now here. I can write this as S1 XR with S2 XR with W. ये तो answer now, tell me. Next. Now see the option now what they given. They asked to find, we need to implement what, tell me now here, difference and borrow. That means we have to implement the of subtractor. Of subtractor के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? Difference expression D, which will be given as what, tell me now here, X bar into Y चाहिए. We need what, tell me now here, X bar into Y चाहिए. Yes sir, no? expression ना. So this is what tell me now here we x XOR y चाहिए and borrow expression is what tell me now here x bar into y चाहिए. So let's try to implement now here these things. अभी ये क्या बनेगा यू टेल मी ना हियर, कौन सा ऑप्शन में आएगा ये चेक करके बोलिए. नाउ यू कैन सी ना हियर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए वेरीफाई किया तो क्या मिलेगा. यू कैन सी ना हियर ऑप्शन ए में they given this a selection line is x given this is a y. So tell me now here d में क्या आएगा x bar into y plus what tell me now here x into y bar. Yes, and the bar you tell me now b क्या मिलेगा. You tell me now here this is x bar into y plus x into 0. So that means this is nothing but x bar into y. So ये था आंसर हमको चाहिए ना here, that what we required. So that's why option A is सही है. Next, now an 8 to 1 multiplexer they has given, they ask him to implement the, so what should be the expression it can able to implement. Yes, yeah, you can tell me now here how we can do it now this type of problems. Here हमारा महा टेक्निक काम आएगा. महा टेक्निक स्मरण है ना, महा टेक्निक का महा टेक्निक स्मरण है कि नहीं. महा टेक्निक. So what is this महा टेक्निक you tell me. महा टेक्निक स्मरण आई ना आप सभी को. We need to give this नंबरिंग हमने देना पड़ेगा ध्यान से. राइट right now you can tell me now here this is how we can give now here d का वेट कितना. So this is we know this as a b c d and d का वेट कितना. So that is 2 power 0. 2 power 0 का मतलब is 1 difference we should maintain. Tell me now here 0 comma 1. इसके बाद क्या लिखना है 2 comma 3. Next what tell me now here 4 comma 5 and next this is what tell me now 6 comma 7 and this is 8 comma 9. This is 10 comma 11 and this is 12 comma 13 and this is 14 comma 15. Okay, now from this we can get this expression. Now tell me now here the expression हमको क्या मिलेगा. You tell me now here this is y. Yes, y of a comma b comma c comma d which is equal to, you can see this thing expressions min terms हमको क्या मिलेगा. You can see right now you see this thing 0 connected, nothing to be considered. So here d connected means upper bound we should take it now here. That means what element of 3 we should lay now. 0 connected means nothing to be considered. D connected means upper bound means what element of 7. Here the 1 connected means both has to be considered 12 comma 13. So but they ask you the minimized expression. So इसका minimization हम क्या लिखेगा. So that is what element of here a bar b bar c d 7 a bar b c d 12 A, B, C bar, D bar plus what we can say now A, B, C bar and D. Now let's try to minimize this expression. So here, yes, अगर मैंने ये दोनों को combine किया तो tell me now we can get it as what tell me now here. So this is A bar सी डी मिलेगा बाय अप्लाइंग मिंगल प्रॉपर्टी से. अगर हमने ये दोनों कंबाइन किया तो क्या मिलेगा. यू टेल मी नाउ यहाँ से. सो दिस इज ए बी सी बार मिलेगा, ये ऑप्शन में है कि नहीं चेक करो। ए बार ए बी सी बार, ए बार सी ऑप्शन में है ना 23C। यस, सो सही है। नेक्स्ट, a 16-bit ripple carry adder is realized by using 16 identical full adders. As shown in the figure, they given the carry propagation delay of a carry given as a 12 nanoseconds and some delay given as a 50 nanoseconds. Now the worst case delay of this 16-bit adder is the delay in case of this is ripple carry adder delay which is given as what, tell me now, n minus 1 into TPD of a carry plus what, tell me now here, remember the formula, max of some delay comma carry delay, max of some delay comma carry delay, isn't it? So this is n minus 1, so n minus 1, that is 15 now here, 15 into carry delay, how much? Carry delay is 12. So max of what we can say now here, some delay is kitna here, some propagation delay is a 15, carry delay given as a 12, इसमें दोनों में maximum लेना पड़ेगा, so कितना here, so this is 15 into 12 plus इसका maximum is 59, so that means 15 common ले लिया तो this is 13 होगा ना, so simplify ये value कितना here, 195 nanoseconds. This is the worst case delay. Right. Next one. A 1 to 8 demultiplexer with the data inputs given as like this. Okay. Now, it is designed using two to 4 decoders with an enable input and address input they given as like this. Now, so they are asking the respective input connection to be okay. So now you can see now here, this is they has implemented 1 to 8 demultiplexer by using decoders. As we have seen that demultiplexer can be implemented by using decoders by simply changing what, tell me, selection lines as input. By changing selection lines as inputs we can implement. And you can see this thing here. Look at now here, enable inputs given. So again, so they has given, look at now carefully, the inputs can be taken as, now if you see, so basically how this demultiplexer, you tell me, let's see it's working first of all. Let us consider the 1 to 8 demux. Okay, consider 1 cross 8 demux. It has one input and 3 selection lines. So let us say S2, this is S1, this is S0, 3 selection lines. This is A, B, C. Okay, let us keep them here like this. And so outputs are 8 outputs, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 outputs we have, right? Now you can see now, can you tell me now what will come here? If I call this output is Y0 will come to be a what, tell me now here? This is S2 bar, S1 bar, and this is S0 bar into I. Next, here Y1 will come to be a what, tell me? This is S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 into I. Next, here Y2 come to be a S2 bar S1 S0 bar into I. Next here, this is Y3 is equal to what? Tell me now here. S2 bar S1 S0 into I. And this Y4 is what? Tell me now here. This is S2 S1 bar S0 bar into I. Y5 is what? Tell me now here. That is S2. So this is S1 bar S0 into I. And Y6 is what? Tell me now here. S2 S1 S0 bar into I. And Y7 is what? Tell me. S2 S1 S0 into I. So you can observe carefully here some of the important things. So here you can observe here this thing. So look at now here. Here you can observe here. There is one term you can see now here. This thing, this is never be complemented. Yes or no? This is never be complemented. And there you can see now here. One is this term. This is continuously complemented. You can see now here. And there is another term which is 2 times complemented, 2 times normal, 2 times complemented. You can see. There is one thing you can see now here. This is 4 times Q bar, Q 4 times is normal form. Okay. So what I want to say here, so whichever is never be complemented, that will come to be a, data input. Whichever is continuously complemented, that is a S0, LSB. Okay, 2 times, so same, that is what will be now S1, and 4 times same, that is a S2. Understood this thing? Tell me first of all. Right. Now from this we can try to understand here. Look at now here. So अभी इधर क्या आएगा? You tell me now. This is what? Tell me now here. P plus Q. And this is what? Tell me now here. Will go here. This is P plus Q bar. Okay. And this is what? Tell me now here. R. This is S. And this is what? Tell me now RS. You can see now here, this is the inputs continuously complemented, obviously. So if we see this as Y0 here, what will come here? So without bar if we write, so it will come to be a what? Tell me now here. That is R bar, S bar into enable. That is what? Tell me now here. P plus Q here. You can see now here. This is what will be now P plus Q is there now. Enable. Yes, iska whole bar if you have taken enable bar now. That's why then it will becomes what will be now here. So here this is R bar S bar into this is P bar Q bar, isn't it? And iska whole bar हमने ले लिया तो then iska whole bar होगा ना? Tell me, iska whole bar होगा. That means it will becomes what? Tell me now here. R plus S plus P plus Q बनेगा. Yes sir, now tell me. Now similarly, now it is Y1 bar. क्या आएगा? You can see now here. Y1 bar, it will come to be a what? Tell me. That is R bar S. Yes, that is. So that is what? S into, so S bar into R into what? Tell me now here. P plus Q इसका whole bar again whole bar. So it will come to be a what element of here? This is S bar. So here S bar R into what element of P bar Q bar whole bar. ये क्या बनेगा इधर? You tell me now here. This is R bar plus S plus P plus Q होगा ना. Next Y2 bar, it will come to be A1 is connected here now, that's why it is. So this is S1 R into what element of here? This is P plus Q whole bar, again whole bar. This will come to be a what element of here? S1, this is R, this is P bar, Q bar, whole bar. So this will come to be a what element of here? S bar. This will come to be a S bar R, S bar plus R plus what element of P plus Q. Next Y3 bar will come to be a, this is S, here there is no one, no? This is S only. So this is S R into what element of P plus Q whole bar. So this will come to be a S R into P bar Q bar. This is equal to what element of here? S bar plus R bar plus P plus Q. You can see now here in this, which is continuously changing. You can see here carefully, which is continuously changing here. Which is continuously changing here. You can see now here. So this is continuously changing. This is continuously changing like this, isn't it? This is continuously changing here. You can see. So that should be called as LSB now. That should be connected to LSB. Now here you can see now here P never be changing. You can see P never be changing. P must be a data inputs. P must be a data inputs, and Q must be what we can say from this. From this, what we can consider, you tell me now here. P must be what you tell me? P must be a data input. It is not changing now. P is not changing. So why? Because here this is the P only. Here we have Q bar. Q is changing. So in this entire box, Q form में जाएगा. In this entire box, Q bar form में जाएगा. So that is a MSB. So from this, what we can say now here? And so this is S2. What is the S2? Tell me now. MSB is a Q. Next, what else we can say now here? R. R is what? Tell me now. S0. And this S is equal to what? Tell me now. S1. So, kaun sa option tell me here? P is a data input. Okay. Q is a S2. Yes. And R is a S0. So, option D satisfy hoga. You can check this thing here. Then everybody understood this logic. The only thing is you need to observe carefully here for what parameters it will be changing can happens. So either in this case, this is changing only for what tell me now here? This parameter changing only for input data never be changes. And then what else you can see now here? And so the one which will changes continuously, that is LSB. The one which will changes alternatively, that is called as what? Tell me. So here 2 times same, 2 times S0 bar, 2 times S1. That's why this is called as a LS. So is S1. The one which will be changing 4 times is one manner, 4 times is other manner. That is what? That is a MSP. That's what we did. Is it fine, all of you? Done. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah, that's for the today's session. So we'll meet in the next session. Okay then, see you. Bye bye.